These notes are on writing and solving equations. We have been working on solving multi-step equations, and now we're going to kind of create equations based on different situations that were given. So this section up here says write an equation for each description. So let's see, last unit we worked with expressions, and an expression would just be the difference of x and 5, and you would know that you write x minus 5. But what makes this an equation is that it has this word is. Is means equals. So this is the difference of x and 5, x minus 5, equals 19. And I know that you know how to solve that, but for right now you don't need to worry about that. That's where we're going to stop with these three. Okay, number 2, it says 5/8 of a number is 16. So 5/8, that's a fraction. So 5/8 of a number. Of means multiplying, and a number we can just use x. So 5/8 times x is 16. Okay, and then let's look at this word problem. It says Mary went to the store to buy 75 oranges. So far she has bought 17. How many more oranges does she need to buy? So I had people in an earlier class want to do 75 minus 17 equals x, but the x needs to, it can't be by itself, so it needs to be on the same side as one of the numbers. So this is where there's two different ones that you could do. You could do 17 plus x, that's how many she's already bought, equals 75. Or you could do 75, which is the total you want, minus x, so minus the amount that you currently have, equals 17. Okay, so either one of those. So if this was on a test or a quiz, I would accept either of those. Not 75 minus 17 equals x. I will not accept that one. Okay, and now down below 4 and 5 are word problems. You might want to pause this and write these down before I start explaining them. So let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see the whole thing for number 4. But definitely go ahead and pause this right now so you have it all written down by the time I start explaining it. Okay, so this was like a really long paragraph that I kind of shortened. This is about someone had like a job offer from 2 different companies, and they were saying in how many years would the salaries, or when they would be the same. So basically company 1, you start at $28,000 and then you get a $3,000 raise each year. And with the other company, you start at $36,000 and you get a $2,000 raise each year. So to make an equation for this, basically each sentence is going to be on its own side of the equal sign. So 28,000 plus $3,000 each year, and that's going to be our x. Each year is our x because it says in how many years will the salaries be the same. And then on the other side, it's going to be 36,000 plus 2,000x. Okay, and now you can solve that equation. So I am going to subtract 2,000x. And because I don't have much space here, I'm going to also subtract the 28,000 in the same step. So 3,000 minus 2,000 is 1,000. X equals 3,600, or 36,000 minus 28,000 is 8,000. Divide by 1,000. And x equals 8, and that needs units. It says in how many years? So 8 years. The salaries will be the same. Okay, one more. This one is about a moving company. So moving company 1 charges $800 just as its initial fee, and then $16 an hour after that. The other moving company charges $720 just to come out and get your furniture and whatnot. And they also charge $21 an hour in addition to the $720. So it says at what number of hours are the prices the same? So we're going to set it up just like how we did this one up here. You take your $800 plus $16 per hour, so 16x, and that equals 720 plus 21x. Okay, and let's solve this. I'm going to subtract 720, and I'm also going to subtract 16x. 800 minus 720 is 80, and 21x minus 16x is 5x. Divide both sides by 5, and x equals 16, let's see, at what number of hours? So 16 hours. That would probably be a pretty big house if it took 16 hours to move all of its furniture. Okay, that is it for your notes for today. Your assignment is posted on Schoology, and it is set up just like your notes. So the top ones, you just have to write the equations, and on the bottom is where you write the equation and solve it, and your answer needs a unit. Okay, that's it.